Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, and I can't believe how warm it is. It's October 1st, and I think the high today is in the upper 80s, possibly 90, and the humidity is like 65%. In fact, my sister called me and she told me that they canceled the Twin Cities Marathon, and I can believe it. It's going to be a hot one today. So I have headed north, east out of the Twin Cities, and I'm up near Grantsburg, and I'm going to show you guys a rustic road. That's a short one. It's about 5 miles, but there's some great hiking trails that you can jump off, and you have some awesome views of the St. Croix River. And this time of year with early fall, the leaves are starting to change and starting to drop. It's absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So stick around. If there's one part of Wisconsin that I really never get tired of running through, that's the Fish Lake Wildlife Area near Grantsburg. I go to Siren a lot to visit family, and this area is usually on my route almost every time I go. In the last year or so, I've done a few videos in that area featuring an old ferry crossing, 2-track and logging trails, and some forest fire lanes. Well, there's another road that you're sure to hit if you go exploring up here, and that's Rustic Road 15. Rustic Road 15 is in Burnett County and is a combo of two roads, Skog Road and West River Road, and you'll find it just west of Grantsburg and south of Highway 70 before it crosses the St. Croix River into Minnesota. This paved drive sits between Hickerson Road to the east and Sjogren Road to the west and is just over 5 miles long. It's close to Governor Knowles State Park to the north and the Fish Lake State Wildlife Area to the south. Along its way, you'll find some private residences tucked behind beautiful pine and hardwood trees. As you get closer to the river, going east to west, there are a couple easy pull-offs to get out, stretch your legs, or just sit a spell next to the scenic river. First is Raspberry Landing, an ideal location to drop your canoe or small boat into the St. Croix River, a national wildlife and scenic river. Raspberry Landing is just a short hike from camping that you'll find just off Highway 70 along the Wisconsin side of the river. St. Croix Family Campground can be a pretty busy campground during the summer months, but this time of year, it can make a very pleasant spot to get away for a night or two. Once Rustic Road 15 turns south, you'll find another pull-off to get out and explore. That's Raspberry Trail, and that takes you within a quarter mile of the St. Croix River. Well, I've never been on this trail, and I'm really looking forward to checking it out. It looks to be just a short little walk down to the St. Croix, and again, what a beautiful day. The leaves are turning, they're starting to fall. It's just fantastic out here. You definitely have to stop and check out these walking trails if you're going to come out this way onto Rustic Road 15. It's fantastic. Well, I'm not sure what that's all about, but it looks like this section of the trail is closed. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue on to the end of the road here, to the end of the Rustic Road. That's really what this video is about anyway. But definitely there are lots of hiking trails that you can check out, and this Raspberry Trail looks to be pretty interesting. One thing I noticed is there's quite a bit of backpacking campsites that you can get to along the river. So again, if you're out and overlanding and have the gear that you can haul in on foot, this is definitely a great place to check out, and this time of year it's beautiful. Now again, I'm not sure why it's closed. We are into the hunting seasons now. I don't see any sign for hunting closures, but that could be a reason why. The other thing is there's been a lot of rain here lately, and this trail does kind of go along a ledge area that drops down to the St. Croix, so it might be for safety reasons as well. But again, I'm just going to go ahead, go back to the truck, and we'll continue on to the Rustic Road. Well, hey guys, we are now at the end of the Rustic Road. What a beautiful drive. In fact, one of the local guys stopped by and told me that it's really busy right now because there's a lot of people coming up to look at leaves, and it's a bear season right now. And that might have been why that trail was closed, but it's bear season this week, and then next week youth hunting starts. So again, it's a beautiful place to check out. Just be aware that when you do come up here later in October here, that you do want to make sure you wear some blaze orange because it is hunting season, and stay on the trails and you should be fine. But anyway, I had a great time, and if you just come out here and listen, you can hear the sandhill cranes. They're having a good time too. They're getting together and getting ready to fly out of here. So anyway, speaking of flying out of here, I'm going to fly out of here, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, please give it a like, and a share is always wonderful too. And a subscribe. I always appreciate a subscribe. I'm getting really close to 1,000, and I need your help to get there. So until the next video, I will see you guys down the road. Take it easy.